Hey friends, we have another new product for our iRobot. It is a HEPA filter. These things should be changed frequently, help keep your house clean. I already got one out of the box. They come in packs of 6. So on the bottom, you'll just press your button here on the side, open it up, pull it out. Your filter's here. Pull it out. Ooh, yuck. And we're going to put a new one in. And then we're going to put this back. And you are done. And you have a new clean HEPA filter. Just wanted to come back to this and show you the importance of cleaning your filters. These are replacement filters for our iRobot. Clearly we have missed the loop on this one, but we will remember to change this frequently to avoid this issue.